In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use CARDBROTHER app to sell your gift card at high rates. Do you understand right now? But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on your notification, because whenever I drop another video, YouTube is going to notify you. And also make sure you share this video after you finish watching for more people to see. Do you understand right now? And if you have any question about this video or anything, write it in the comment section and I'm going to answer you. Now let's get started. This is how it goes. Guys, you go to Play Store, and if you are using iPhone, you know it is an Apple Store. You go to Apple Store, yeah, and your Play Store, you search for CARDBROTHER, and this is how it look like. I don't want you to go and download rubbish. Do you understand? This is how it look like. Do you see it right now? I have this app on my phone already. So if you don't have it before, go and download it. After you've downloaded it, you open it. Do you understand? And you sign up. You can see sign in and you see sign up. Click on sign up. After you click on sign up, it's going to look like this, guys. And this is what you are going to do after you click on sign up. Put your name here. Let's say your name is James and other name is Drake or Johnson. Just put your name there. Let's use Johnson. Okay, country, you select your country. This app is available only in two countries, which is Ghana and Nigeria. You click on country and you select your own country. If you are from Ghana, you select Ghana. If you are from Nigeria, you select Nigeria. So for example, right now I'm going to select Nigeria because I'm making this video from Nigeria. I'm in Nigeria. You click on Nigeria and you put your phone number here. Do you get it right now? You put your phone number here right now. For example, I'm gonna put 1973 Do you understand right now? And make sure your phone number is an active phone number, because you are going to receive code. They want to confirm if this phone number is your phone, is active and is yours, because this application is legit. They don't scam, because I've been using it for over 1 year and it is amazing. If I log in my own account, you are going to see what I'm talking about, because I'm going to show you all my transaction. Now, this is how it is. After you have put in your phone number, don't click on send yet. Hold on. Create your password. Make sure your password is like this. For example, like this. Let's say your password, you can use Godwin, anything you want, just like this, and you use number. Put number there, maybe 26 or 22 or 224, and put something like this at the back, or like this, or like this, or like this. Do you understand? It will work, and you repeat it here again. Do you understand right now? You repeat it here, Godwin 224, and this. Do you understand? And after that, you put your invitation code. You won't be able to register if you don't have invitation code. And you put this invitation code, capital letter R2N8QH. Do you understand? R2N8QH. After you have put in this invitation code, don't click on submit yet. Remember, you haven't put your verification code. You haven't confirmed. Then you click on send first. After you click on send, code is going to enter your phone. You will receive a code on your phone immediately. Just wait and receive it. After you receive that code, put that code here. If it is, for example, if that code is, I haven't received it, it's not clickable, just put that code here. After you receive it, if you click send, they will send code to this phone number and put that code here. Do you understand? And click on submit. Immediately you click on submit, you have successfully registered. Do you understand right now? But right now, I'm not going to click on register because I have an account before. I'm just going to log into my own account and show you the necessary things, how to sell your gift, how to use Card Brother app to sell your gift card. Now, let me log into my own account right now. Let me log into my own account and we continue. Sharp, 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 sharp. Let me log in to my own account. Let me log, Pam. I've logged in right now. You can see my own account. You can see my balance is 206. I have over 200,000 on this account. Do you understand right now? And if you want to click on, if you want to sell gift card right now, this is what you are going to see. You can see the all the type of gift card you can sell on this app. You understand right now? All you have to do is click on sell. Do you understand? Now, you can see category of gift card. Do you understand right now? You click on it and you select the card you want to sell. If it is Apple card, if it is Razor, you select anyone you have that you want to sell. But this in this tutorial now, let's use Steam card as an example. I'm going to select Steam card. Now, the country of the card, not the country you are, the country of that card. If that card is USA card, you click on it on country and you select USA. If that your Steam card is from Australia, you click it. If it is Canada, if it is UK. Now, for example, I'm going to use US as an example, and you can see balance. You click on balance. Let's say the card you want to sell is $50, you write $50 here. If it is $20, you write it here. If it is $10, you write it here. Do you understand right now? If it is $100, 200, 500, you write it here. But let's use $100 as an example. Do you understand? And physical card, if it is physical card, you put it on physical card. If it is e-code, you put it on e-code. Do you understand right now? You can see code and you put your code. Do you understand right now? If it is on physical, let me go back. Let me go back. I want to show you. Let me go back. I'm going to select again. Steam, country, US. Physical card. You can see physical card is a card that have paper. You have the card on your own, and if it is only code, you click on code and just put the code. Do you understand right now? But for physical, you let it be on physical and you can see upload picture. And if it is physical, you just want to write the code of the card, you can write it here, the code of the card, and click on sell, and you are done. And if you have the paper, the real card, the paper of it, you can click on upload photo, click on upload from gallery, and select your card. For example, let's say this is my card, or this is my card, and I will add. Do you understand right now? Wait and see what I'm saying. You can see here, you can see right now that I've put my $100 card here right now, for example. And if you have another card again that you want to add, which is $100, don't go and put $100 here and put $150 here or $50. No. If you want to do a card that is different amount, you do it differently. Do you understand? But if it is the same amount, you can put it there and write to the amount on there. Do you understand right now? And you click on sell. If it is one card, you upload one. If it is two, you upload two. And click on sell. Immediately you click on sell, you wait for like 1 minute. Even I think it's not up to that. You receive your money on your balance. You will see sources. Let me show you the card that I've done on this. Let me go to transaction. Let me go to transaction. Let me go to transaction, and I'll show you. And I'll say saves. Confirm. Let's wait. You can see it. You can see on this website I've done over 30 million business. You understand right now? And you can see it here. You can see Apple card of $500 that I said 554,000. You can see it. You can see it. Only bad card will say fail. Only the card that is not good, I can guarantee you. Only the card that is not good or used card will say fail. You can see sources. So I've been using it for a long time, and they are legit. Now, after you sell your gift card, you have received it, your money on your balance. It will look like this on your balance. And let's say now you want to withdraw your money because that's the next thing you are waiting for after you have sold your gift card. So you go to me. Do you understand right now? And you go to wallet. Do you understand? After you go to wallet, you will see add bank. You can see I've had my OPay bank here already. Then you click on add bank. They are going to ask you for your information like your password. Or if you have not had your bank before, they might not ask for your password. They will just show you a place where you're going to choose your OPay or your GT bank or your first bank, and you put your account number there. Then you click on submit. Then your bank is there. After you have done that, you have had your bank account there. Your name will show on your bank. Then you can go back and click on withdraw. You see withdraw down here. On your wallet, you see withdraw. You can click on withdraw. Do you understand? After you click on withdraw, you write the amount you want to withdraw. Maybe you don't want to withdraw all your money, or you want to withdraw everything. It is your choice. Let's say I want to withdraw 40,000 right now. I just choose 40,000. Or if I want to withdraw everything, it's my choice. Then after you have done that, you are just going to click on confirm to withdraw. After you click on confirm to withdraw, instantly this money will deliver to my bank account. Do you understand right now? Let me show you something. Let me show you something to confirm this. Let me show you something. Let's go to transaction. Let's go to transaction. Let me go to this. Let's say okay. I think they will show withdraw here. No, they didn't show it. I think they will show it, but they didn't. So this is how to add your bank and how to withdraw your money to your bank account. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe right now because I'm going to be giving you more updates. If you have any question, write it in the comment section and I'm going to answer you. And make sure right now, make sure you share this video for more people to see it. Do you understand right now? I love you guys and I'm going to see you in another video. One love.